So this time today, we are going to show you the progress of our work with this project here for the plumbing for the bathroom at the ground floor. So the plumbing for water line is finished. The remaining here is the sanitary plumbing for this toilet and bath. Actually, the water line is already being covered. That means that this is the hydro tested already. And also the plastering is almost complete. This bathroom here, so it's not yet finished, but it is already being started. The kitchen here, the plumbing is finished. Now we will go to the first floor. Here in this area, the plastering is complete. This toilet and bathroom plumbing for water line is finished. And also for the sanitary plumbing. Also this one here, this is the bathroom that we made repair the other day. So the hydro test for this one is finished. Also the sanitary plumbing is also finished here. Plastering is also finished for this room. Let's go to the other kitchen. And this one here is the kitchen for the first floor. So also water line is finished. Also the sanitary plumbing is also finished. The plastering is still in that area. It's not yet complete. And this bathroom here, water line plumbing is also complete, and hydro testing will be the remaining job here. Also for the sanitary plumbing there is also finished. So now we'll just go to the second floor. Plastering in the staircase here is also finished. third floor here. Water line is finished. And the pipe is already being covered. That means that the hydro testing is also complete. Sanitary plumbing is also finished for this bathroom. Plastering here in this room is finished. Plastering in this sala is also finished. Also in this room, the plastering is complete. Here in this bathroom, here plumbing for water line is finished, and it is also being covered with cement, so that means hydro testing is also complete. This is the lavatory area, 2 lavatory there, and the sanitary plumbing is also complete. In the kitchen here, so the water line, the plumbing for water line is complete, and it is also being covered with cement. That means hydro testing is complete. And also the sanitary plumbing is also complete for this kitchen. From here also, water lines plumbing is finished, and it is still open, so meaning the hydro testing is the remaining job here. And sanitary plumbing is also complete. In the third floor, plastering is already complete here. And so that's it for this time. The updates for our job here for this project. So next time we will give you an update about some other progress of our work here.